Are you sick of being cast as person standing in the background? Develop your acting skills and learn how to be a pro actor. With our actor training course, you can stop being the fuzzy blur in the background. We know how frustrating and daunting this journey can be. All of those failed auditions, the lack of proper guidance, and the uncertainty of where to even begin. But there's a proven path forward. Final Act Drama has created a free actor training video that is meticulously designed to guide you every step of the way. Discover the 10 essential steps to becoming a successful actor, like where to get your actor training, the importance of headshots, resumes, and reels, learn audition technique, and how to get representation, and more. Picture yourself with a clear plan, professional guidance, and the unshakable confidence to pursue your acting dreams. After going through our training, Marcella landed a great role with Ryan Reynolds in The Green Lantern. Josh landed a role in Fox's 911, and Minor has become a full-time actor in film, TV, and voiceovers, and you can do the same.
If you always wanted to be an actor, then you need to take the Acting for Film and Television course.
I've had a lot of fun just learning and expanding my knowledge of acting as a whole.
I felt unfulfilled with what I was doing in my life. Hey, if I don't start now, when will I ever do it?
Stop feeling lost and take decisive action. Kickstart your acting career today.
So sign up for the Acting for Film and Television course right now. You won't regret it.